Alright, whatever you think you know about installing NXN locally, you're probably doing it wrong. For real, this is the only way to unlock its full power in your own machine. So if you seen on my videos on this, just forget them, seriously, because I just found this instant install package. Check this out. This is NXN database and Olama, all bundled in one Docker setup. It's so much more efficient. It's all on GitHub, and we are gonna try together. So here is the plan. We are gonna cover the three things. First, the install. Second, how to set up LLM mode, and third, how to tunneling with Ngrok and Cloudflare. So you can access it from anywhere. And to make it super easy for you, I already have made the text version of this tutorial on Notion. The link in down description. So you can just copy paste all the comment to make easy in your tutorial. Alright, let's go into it. First step, we're gonna download package from GitHub. I've already read them in Notion. The link in description. So first step is go to Docker and download. I assume you guys have already know and already has to install. Then open your terminal from Docker. You can see in bottom right here. Click here and paste the source code from GitHub. I'm already posting this link to original resource. You can take a look in GitHub. For installation, you can cloning the repository. This is for standard user. Profile CPU. This will be use Olama for from CPU. And if you have NVIDIA user, you can use this for GPU NVIDIA or AMD or Mac or whatever. Let's try with standard user for now. Back to Docker and paste, then install, enter. You can see this, the container. I'm already download it before, so if I press it, command line they will download it, but I'm already have it, so the code will move them to container instantly. Yeah, you can see it there, pull Olama and whatever, and already download. Just wait until the process finish. By the way, if you guys are new in GitHub, for running git clone you need to git download. I'm already put the link download packet in Notion too. You can visit him and download for Windows and install. I'm already download it, so let's take a look if I'm installing. Because if you don't install this in Windows, probably you can using command git clone, just using the standard installation, just next, next. uh, so you can see I already have, but that's why I can use the git command clone from here, from here git clone. If you don't install this, you can use this git clone command. Okay, so for the first time you need to install this git for Windows. Okay, seems like StaffHost AI starter kit is already finished. You can see here in container they already put Olama, Hydran, NXN, and Postgres. So let's take a look. Back to guide setting. If you already finished, you can open this localhost. Then already put them. I'm already installed them before. So if you are new in installation, after you visit this, you will see the administration pack. You can log in with your email and create a password. But don't forget, if don't lose your password, because in NX and local you can recovery your password if you forget. After that, okay, let's see Olama we already get from our installation. For now, open new terminal, then right here, use this command to open your Olama, or you already installed before in Self-host AI. Paste it in terminal Docker, enter it. So you can see here, Olama is already here. You can check your package. You can use command here, list. So you can see here, Llama 3.2 is default kit from self-host AI starter kit. You can add more model in Olama. You just need to visit this link. Let's test it command to install new model, or you can this GitHub. You can see the size. Let's find the lowest size. So Moondream. Let's take a look with Moondream. So to adding a new model, you need to just Olama run, and last command is your model. You can see them in model here in olama.com, or you can visit the Olama GitHub to take a look this model. If you can see, I'm already have a Llama 3.2. This is a default, and Gemma 3 1B. This is I'm already installed 2 days ago. You can see there. Okay, let's take a look with new command, run command. So Olama run and new model. So, Olama run in Moondream 2. Moondream 2 in with size 1 GB, almost 1 GB. So paste in this and enter. You can see this. So they are pulling data from internet. We can waiting him is just 1 GB. Okay, the LLM Moondream is already finished to download and it's already run. So you can see here, we can send message to Moondream. Now let's take a look with NXN first. If you see this Olama port, if you open it, Olama is running, so we can already use them. So in self-host AI starter kit, we have a demo workflow from NXN. Let's open it. This is demo. The Olama model is already connect with Olama account in our computer locally. If you remember here, Llama 3.2 is the default installation with self-host AI starter kit. Moondream is we already download before. So Gemma is already I'm download it few days ago. So let's take a look with Llama first. Let's chat here. File model, submodel. Olama account. Let's take a look. Olama connect retrieve fallback model subnet must be connect and enable. We will not using this so let's create again with AI agent. Okay, let's connect this node, connect this. Okay, let's try again chat. That's right, this already thinking. So this running slowly because if I'm using installation with CPU. If you remember the instruction before, I suggest you to use installation with GPU. This more fast for Olama. So here is they give us answer with 30 second. It's too long. So we have NXN here and Olama model here. So the problem is without any without additional setup, we can use another tool from outside network. So the solution is tunneling with ngrok or Cloudflare. For the first step, we will use ngrok first. Open ngrok, then sign up. You can simply with sign up with Google. That's more fast and easy. So I already have account. So set up an installation. For installation, you need to go to dashboard and Docker. I'm already have link here, or you can visit here and select a Docker. For installation with Docker, we have already command line here. Copy this, open your terminal, then paste. So let them pull the data from the internet. After finish, you can back to your static domain and climb your static domain. After you climb it, the command line here we have already command here, so copy this command line. Don't forget to save this because this is domain we can visit after ngrok deploy in internet. So back to copy this and back to Docker and paste. And if you see there is 18, you can remove here and change them to NXN host port. This is port you can expose to internet. So delete this and change to 5678. Then enter. You can see here. This is already online. Update. The container they give us a random name for container. So this already online. So let's visit the website. Visit our domain. Then we can sign in with account we create before. So if you can see, this is our same workflow in offline in localhost. If you remember here, we get a Telegram here. So exactly we get the same workflow online and offline. So the second option is using Ngrok. Ngrok is finished. Now second option with Cloudflare. This method is more technical, but the Cloudflare is better option from Ngrok because Ngrok is just temporary domain. If using Cloudflare, you can use your domain. You can buy them. Okay, let's take a look with Cloudflare. Open your Cloudflare. Just start for free. Sign up just with Google. It's more easy and fast. Continue. So the first step in Cloudflare, we need to add our domain. For example, I have a domain. Just continue. Just select the free plan. So you can continue activation here. So this is login. Then step by step, you can set up your name server to activate. So you just copy this two line name server, copy and paste to your name server. After you change this name server, you can set up from your hosting provider. So this my account I'm already have set up. You can see here domain is already here and active. You can go to Zero Trust here. And then you can go to network and a tunnel, then add a tunnel. Select Cloudflare, name your tunnel, let N8N, save, save a tunnel, then install a connector for your computer. You can select for Windows, Mac, or Docker, but I don't know how to use Docker connector. Let me stick with Windows. Windows 64-bit, then download. After you download, you can run the installer. So there is no pop-up program or anything. So it's done. So then open the command prompt. cmd run in administrator. Then you can copy this command, then paste it, enter. Installing service, Cloudflare agent service install. Okay, then go next. Connector is online connected. Then go next. You can select subdomain for your domain to host NXN local host to in online. For domain, you can register your domain before, and for subdomain, we can use N8N. For service, you can select HTTP, then URL for localhost you already install NXN. This means localhost 5678. 5678. Yeah, yes. Then complete a setup. Name with already see name developer. Maybe we can use another N8N online local. Maybe I will use online dot mahakam game dev. Let's complete the setup. So this successfully. So it's healthy. Then that means the Cloudflare service is already run. So we can open it. We can visit this link. So you can see there is we have a NXN online, same as our computer. Let's take a look. Let's log in. So this is our NXN. If you remember before, we have set up Telegram, webhook, and so this is exactly same. So technically, we have two method, ngrok and Cloudflare. For ngrok, if you remember in Docker, we have a static domain that we have already installed this in ngrok. So we can visit our domain. So we have ngrok and Cloudflare. Even we can still have access to our local host. So this is best option for to expose our machine NXN to online. So let's go back to installation. After you set up ngrok or Cloudflare, this is the final setup to set up our webhook URL and protocol. So we can that means after this we can use Telegram, and NXN is full function. First, let's stop the host NXN and then open this container view configuration. We will edit this docker compose.yml. You can open it in here, user self-host AI kit. Let's take a look. User diamond. You can use your editing tool. For now, I will use Notepad++. Then find this line in service, NXN service. I go enter and copy this command from. You can copy here and paste it in here. So for the URL, you can visit your. For now, I will use this. For now, I will use from tunnel from Cloudflare because Cloudflare is most stable tunnel depend on Android. Let's copy this, then paste it here, then save. So you have remember it. After webhook URL, you need to put your link in here with slash here in last, then save. After save it, you can see here is already update. Then go back to container and run it again. Let's check out. Okay, let's check out again in webhook. Still the same. Why? Why? Okay, maybe with use stop and start, it's not working. Let's open a terminal, then write cd, then self host, self, then enter, then write docker compose down. After that, let's write docker compose a dash e. Everything. So maybe this is well working. Let's take a look. Wait and see. Okay, it's already finished and already start. Let's open again. Let's take a look. So here's is online and in our website, and let's test it with Telegram. Telegram bot on message, trigger on message. Connect it to here. Just let's test execute workflow for NXN. So in AI agent, don't forget to use prompt for to give order to our LLM. Use expression. Just write here your assistant. Then let's test it. Execute. So this waiting from our chat. Let's chat uh, test. So the trigger is active now. Waiting for the response. Okay, this finally working NXN full locally with, and we can open it online with Cloudflare tunnel or with ngrok. So here is